Today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then choose Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, tap on any password that you wish to edit. And enter your current login method. Following that, hit Continue. Tap on Edit and change wherever you want to. Then hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!